linear equations into variables. Today we learn about graph of linear equations in two variables. So general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The graph of this linear equation is always a straight line. So today we will start exercise 4.3. Question number first. Draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. Draw graph of linear equation in two variables. First part is x plus y is equal to 4. To plot this equation, we find the value of y by putting the value of x. किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू अपन लेट करेंगे एंड नेक्स्ट वेरिएबल की वैल्यू अपन निकालेंगे. Now see here, I make a table. At least I will take 3 points. 2 is sufficient. अगर कोई भी 2 पॉइंट जोड़ेंगे वो स्ट्रेट लाइन ही बनेगी. For verification we will take 3 points. So this is x, this is y. If I take let x is equal to, if you take 1, then what is y? 1 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. You check it, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now I will take x is equal to 2. So y becomes 2 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2. Now I will take another point, say 0. If I take x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 4. Now plot this point in the graph. You will take a graph paper. I am plotting by making a graph with a scale of 1 centimeter. Here we can see that no negative points are there. So the graph is plotted in the first quadrant. Extend the line. Okay, it will go in other quadrant. So where these two lines intersect, it is called origin. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now scale you can take 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter को आप 1 unit 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now first point you know that 1 comma 3, x is 1, y comma 3 you can write as it is. ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, इसको ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बोलते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट फॉर x एक्सिस एंड सेकंड पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट फॉर y एक्सिस. So first we take 1 on x axis, this is 1, and y is 3, this is 3. So 1 comma 3 is this point, 1 comma 3. Now you can take 2 comma 2, this is 2 and this is 2. Now you take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. This is 0 comma 4 and this is 2 comma 2. Now join these points. This is a straight line and this is the equation of x plus y is equal to 4. This externally goes in both direction. Now I will take another part. Suppose constant is not given to you. अगर constant नहीं दिया हुआ है, constant is not given to you, the line passes through origin. I will take that case. Question 1, third part. Y is equal to 3x. Now make a table. By putting the value of x, you will get the value of y. At least you will take 3 values. So make a table. This is x, this is y. If I take x is equal to 0, So 0 into 3 is 0. x0, y0. If I take x1, y is equal to 3. If I take x2, y is equal to 6. So this point satisfies the given equation. Now plot a graph. We see that the graph of this equation passes through origin. ये कहां से पास होगा? Passes through origin. Whenever constant is not there, the graph is passes through origin. See here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is intersecting point 0, origin. Now you can take a scale. 1 unit is equal 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale ले लीजिए on x-axis and y-axis. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first point is 0, 0. This is first point 0, now second point x1, y3. So this is the point 1, 3, 2, 6. This is 2 and this is 6. So it is 2, 6. Join these points, you will get a straight line. You will get a straight line. You do in graph paper. So this is the equation of line. This line represents y is equal to 3x. Now I will take one more question. Question number 4. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So you can represent, you can write y is equal to, put y here and 2x is here. Why I will doing this? To calculate the value of y, it is easy for me. If I put the value of x here, we can calculate the value of y. Make a table for x, y. This is x, this is y. If I take, let x is equal to 0, अगर x 0 ले लेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? y is equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. x0, y3. If you take x is equal to 1, x 1 ले लेंगे तो y कितना आ जाएगा? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 2, x 2 लीजिए तो कितना आएगा? y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2. This implies y is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. कितना आ गया? y is equal to minus 1. If you take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to minus 1. This point comes in 2, minus 1 comes in which quadrant? 2 is positive and y is negative. It is fourth quadrant. Now see in the graph. Plotting of this equation in the graph, see here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is 0. Again you can take scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x-axis and y-axis. So x1, 2, 3, 4, y 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now plot the points x0, y3, x0, y3. This is 0, 3. Now x1 and y1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1, 1. Now x2 and y minus 1, x2 and y minus 1. This is x2, y minus 1. This is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Now join these points, you will see that this is a straight line. So this is the equation of 3 is equal to 2x plus y, or you can say that y is equal to 3 minus 2x.